Pemdas. The order of operations. Pemdas is an acronym that indicates the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. Let's try to solve the next operation following Pemdas. 30 plus 12 divided by 2 times factor of 5 minus 3 plus 2 cubes. First, we are going to solve the parentheses. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then we solve the exponents. 2 cubes means 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. After that, multiply or divide from left to right. In this exercise, we have first the division. So we are going to divide 12 by 2. The result is 6. Then we multiply 6 by 2. And the result is 12. Finally, we solve the addition and subtractions from left to right. Our first operation is 30 plus 12 equals 42. And then 42 plus 8 equals 50. And we finish our exercise. Now it's your turn. You have two exercises to solve. The first one is factor of 10 minus 7 times 5 plus 8 divided by 2. The second one is 10 squared minus 3 cubes. Hi there, you're doing really good. I think the hard work is really making the difference, so keep up. Thank you, bye-bye.